Hello student, I am Dr. Neha Garg from Commerce Department of JSPG College, Secunderabad. In this class, we'll learn to find out transportation cost by lowest cost entry method. To understand lowest cost entry method, we take an example. In this example, there are 4 markets A, B, C, D and 3 factories X, Y, Z. Each cell has its cost, transportation cost, just as XSL has 18 transportation cost. As we already discussed in previous class that transportation cost is shown in this upper left hand corner in this way: 15, 20, 17, 14, 12, 13, 18, 18, 15, 12. Now we check that this question is total requirement and total demand of all the factory or all the market is should be equal to 60. Now we check 18 plus 24 plus 28 equal to 60, 12 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 equal to 60. Now we solve the question. In lowest cost entry method, first of all we see that which is the lowest transportation cost in all row and all column. Now student, you can see 11 is the lowest transportation cost. In this method सबसे पहले हम उस सेल को सप्लाई देते हैं, डिमांड फुलफिल करते हैं जिसकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट लो होती है. ठीक है, इसमें इस वाले सेल में XB सेल में हमारी डिमांड है 12 क्वांटिटी की एंड सप्लाई है हमारे पास 8. नाउ वी कैन गिव only 8 quantity to XB cell. 8. We show quantity in circle. Now demand of this factory B left 4 quantity. Now students, इस क्वेश्चन को आगे सॉल्व करने के लिए हम अगेन लिस्ट कॉस्ट देखते हैं, पर जिस भी रो की या फैक्ट्री की और जिस भी मार्केट की रिक्वायरमेंट और डिमांड फुलफिल हो जाती है उसको हम इग्नोर करते हैं. नाउ फैक्ट्री एक्स हैज कंप्लीट ऑल सप्लाई, सो वी इग्नोर दिस रो. नाउ वी सी द लोएस्ट कॉस्ट इन Y and Z factories in these two rows. Now we can see there are lowest cost is 12. 12 is also shown in YC cell and ZD cell. We can give any, किसी को भी हम इन दोनों में से YC सेल और ZD सेल में से किसी को भी हम क्वांटिटी सप्लाई कर सकते हैं. हम YC सेल में सबसे पहले क्वांटिटी सप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारी डिमांड है 16 क्वांटिटी और सप्लाई है हमारे पास 24. वी कैन फुलफिल ऑल द डिमांड ऑफ मार्केट C. वी कैन गिव इट 16 क्वांटिटी. Now factory Y left 8 quantity to supply. Okay student, now this factory row and this cell has been cancelled. Now we see lowest cost in 6 cells 17, YA cell, YB cell, YD cell and ZA cell, ZB cell and ZD cell. In this cell again lowest cost is 12. Now we give this cell 20 quantity. We can demand of market D is fulfilled. Now here is 8 quantity is left to be supplied. Now this column and this row is finished. Okay, now we see in this 4 column which is lowest cost 14. Now we supply in this cell, requirement of this cell is 4 and available quantity is 8. We can give 4 quantity in this cell. Now here is left 4 quantity to be supplied. Now we left only 2 cell because this is cancelled, this cancel, this cancel and this is also cancel. We remaining 2 cell, YA cell and ZA cell. In this 17 is lowest. Here is supply is available 4. We can give only 4 quantity to this market. And in this row, here is left 8 quantity to be demanded. Now we can give only 8 quantity. Now you can see the supply of each factory is complete. 8, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 16, 24, 8 plus 20, 28. And demand of all the market is also fulfilled. 4 plus 8, 12, 8 plus 4, 12, 16 and 20. Okay. Now we check that it is optimal or not. So we use this formula R plus C minus 1. That means row plus column minus 1. Row is there, we have 3 rows and 4 column. Minus 1 equal to 6. So we have to 6 allocation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our solution is optimal solution. Now we calculate transportation cost. Transportation cost 11 multiply 8, 17 multiply 4, 14 multiply 4, 12 multiply 16, 8 multiply 8, 12 multiply 20. So student, total transportation cost, total transportation cost is X B cell equal to 11 multiply 8 equal to 80, 8 Y A cell 17 multiply 4 equal to 68, Y B cell 14 multiply 4 equal to 56, Y C cell 12 multiply 16 equal to 192, Z A cell 18 multiply 8 equal to 144, Z D cell transportation cost is 12 multiply 20 equal to 240. Total of all cells, we find out total transportation cost, that is 788. So student, here is the method to solve lowest cost entry method. If you have any query relating to this method, you can ask in comment box. Thank you for the class.